What's going on, everybody? So it's the following day. It's a Friday, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I have begun cleaning the hard top. You can kind of see where the upper part, it's very, clean, and you can't see any marks. And on the bottom, however, let me go ahead and zoom in. You can actually start seeing some of these marks here that I'm trying to work and get off. That white might be a little overpowering for this camera to see, especially since the sun's directly in it. But I'm going to do a quick demo on a small section on this just to give you a feel for some of the degreasing step of this real fast. Okay, so she is cleaned, degreased, and scuffed up, and now she's drying. Once she's dry, I'm going to go ahead and tape up. Probably will do that tonight. I'm not sure, or as long as everything's looking good. And then she'll be ready for paint in the morning. Let me go ahead and walk over here to the doors. So you can scuff these up really good. I'm basically I'll be taping up again once this dries, taping up around here so that I can basically get all the inside here and taping up the handles too. But I'm just going to try to get a nice sort of coverage through here, a little bit on the inside too, to just cover some of that rattling also on both doors. Again, just kind of getting it within here. And north of here. I'm going to turn them over when I actually go to spray because just working with gravity, any overspray that does occur will go down, so I don't want it to go on the windows intentionally. So I'll be turning these over and spraying. It's just easier to scuff them up and clean them and prep them as they are right now. But anyways, I'll do a quick sound test. Do that on this side. You can hear all that vibration. Okay. This was not a good idea. It's better just to free pour it. Good morning. All right, so you can see we ended up, this is the next day, and we're getting ready to put the second coat on the doors. And you can see we went a lot more intense with the protective covering because the overspray was significantly more than at least what's visible on the different YouTube videos. But let's see how things are sounding now. It's a little bit deeper of a thud, but I can hear something back there vibrating. Let me hit from the backside. Yeah, it's already starting to kind of take away the rattle from the backside. Even though I was only able to get the spray in a few locations, I'm already starting to hear a difference. So we're going to go ahead and set you up on the tripod. Today what we're going to do, well, we're doing everything today, but first stage what we're going to do is we're going to finish the second coat here, and then coming over to the hard top. Got this all completely taped off and plasticed off, and we're just going to spray 2 coats on this, and then once we kind of get the second coat and the first coat going, then I'm going to go ahead and set up to start preparing the tub in the car for the spray. So what I'm anticipating is we're going to finish this one, finish this, then I'll probably, while I'm taping up everything else on the other side of the house, I'm going to do the second coat here, and then hopefully by then, if I don't have to run to the store due to a lack of supplies, I should be able to start on the front sometime mid-afternoon, correction, by noon hopefully. All right, let's send it.
It's nothing left with you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
All right, so this is the end of the first coat. Unfortunately, it's getting a little too cool into the evening, and plus my family and want to go over to my cousins who you saw earlier helping me out, basically go and watch the Tyson Ray Jones Jr. fight. So we are going to call it now, and that way it's just fully cured by the time we come out tomorrow. So we'll finish it up tomorrow on Sunday, and then we'll just go ahead and yeah, that'll be it. Now I do have insulation coming in. We're going to go ahead and I'm just decided to go ahead and fork out the dough to do the insulation, since it's taking so much energy on, just to do the preparations. You can see my family helped me take out the roll cage just to make sure we took the time to do it right. Huge help having family here. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me go ahead and take you around over to the hardtop, because that's actually having a noticeable difference. So let's go right now. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick view on what it looks like from far and then up close. Go ahead and give you a good view of the texture. And then I'm going to hand my cousin the phone, and I'm going to go ahead and let you hear the thud of it. All right, so now we're going to hear what it sounds like afterwards. A lot more solid. It's coming. It doesn't take the sound completely away, but it's a noticeable difference. We'll see how much the vibration from the road noise and everything, and really being off on the trail, how much that helps. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and call it for the night, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the last coat on the bed of the truck tomorrow. Kind of tired, but we got to go get cleaned up and go to the fight. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, everybody? So I wanted to get you caught up on how things are going. It is the Wednesday after the Thanksgiving weekend, and we were able to actually get and finish the second coat of the sound dampening. Since then, 2 gallons of the insulation arrived yesterday on Tuesday, and my family, my brother, my father was actually able to go ahead and put on 1 coat of the insulation. So that's pretty big. Unfortunately, the Santa Anas are coming in, and for those not familiar with the Santa Anas, it's strong winds that hit Southern California, so they're not going to be able to do the second coat. Earliest is until Friday, unfortunately, but at least that is when I'm planning to get back out there in the evening. So if they're able to do it, cool. If not, definitely Saturday we'll go ahead and knock it out. Plus, I have 2 extra gallons of insulation coming to do the hard top and to do the doors. So whatever doesn't get done, by the time I get out there, we'll go ahead and knock it out, because we are expecting some beautiful weather out there in the Coachella Valley. But anyways, I also might have something a little installed for you in relation to the roll cage, but we'll see if that happens or not. If it does, definitely I'll record it and bring it to you. But regardless, you know what? That's gonna go ahead and end this video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.